Hey, what's up, guys? How you guys doing? Today is gonna be a pretty short video. Just want to let you guys know that I have finally replaced my camera stuff that I had stolen from my car, which included a GoPro. But this time I got the GoPro 8. Might as well, you know, why am I gonna replace the GoPro Hero 5? Got myself a couple camera equipment, but today's all about the GoPro 8. I'm gonna open it up and show you guys how it looks. It looks pretty sick. I mean, it looks like a simple GoPro, but I got the special bundle, which comes with like the harness and the mount and an extra battery and stuff like that. But yeah, let's see. Let's get let's get this camera out and see how it goes. Well, let's get started on this GoPro right here. Like, as you can tell, simple GoPro case, hard plastic, and the cardboard box on the bottom. They always do a good job of making this thing look cool. Takes a lot of practice to make your GoPros look pretty cool, like how they have it in the commercials. A lot of editing, you know. People think like when they get this camera, the footage is gonna look exactly how it is in the commercial, but it is not the case. No, not the case at all. You just have to figure out your own way of editing and whatnot. All right, so I already tore the little paper right here, but it says it has all this stuff in here. I don't know how they got everything in here because it looks like a normal GoPro box. It looks small, but we'll see. Maybe it's not in there, but apparently the Best Buy people, it was in there. I always keep my cases. You never know if you're trying to resell it or whatnot. It's always a good idea, just, you know, or like when you retire it, you just put it back in there, because, you know, in the future they're gonna end up making better ones. And here it is. Here's the GoPro. Looks almost like the past three ones in the make, but this one has one of the best hyper smooth thingies. My bobbers, it's like 2.0 hyper smooth, so pretty much you really don't need the gimbal for this. And the gimbal that's out right now does not fit this camera. It does not whatsoever fit this camera. But I guess you kind of don't need it because of the thing. It does have a few new. Well, it does. My bad. But I heard something. The fuck is that? Alright. I'm here alone, so I was like, something's beeping. Oh, whatever. Anyways, like I was saying, they have a new speaker right here, which they say the reason why they put it there is because technically when you have the camera up to your face, like you're doing like a vlogging video style, the wind is like pretty much not on it, like it normally is on the side, in the back, or whatever. So apparently it does some noise cancellation for the wind there. And another cool tip too is just to keep the box. This is actually one of a cool mount. It's like a steady mount. Take anywhere, hiking, places somewhere you want, and you get a cool shot. All right. So the moment of truth, I wanted to see if the harness and the stand are in here. So let's see. God, that beeping sure freaked me out. Of course, you have your booklet, your iconic GoPro stickers, which I have like lots because, you know, I have pretty much every single camera. Ever since my brother bought me like GoPro Hero 3 or whatever for my birthday, I started collecting the cameras until somebody jacked them from my car. All 4 of them. And it has a quick little easy card, how to assemble, how to do everything. It's pretty much this camera is super simple. Anyway, so comes with a memory card, and this is part of the bonus special edition. Gets this battery, the extra battery. Here's the other battery. And it did. Here's the harness. That's crazy. See how little that is? None of that is full of paperwork. But they were able to get this. And get this bundle was the same price as the regular GoPro Hero 8. So like the guy at Best Buy is like, oh, which one do you want? And we're like, of course I want the bundle one. Here's a headpiece. Nice. So when I'm driving, don't mind me, I like to test it out. Whatever, you get the point. So there's that. Now, it's chargers. It's charger, not his chargers. And you get, oh, I see. Well, when you get the special bonus, normally you get like 3 of these, but you only get 1, I guess, because it comes with all of this. And one more thing. Little grip. Now I have like, this is like a miniature one. I have a full size one. Let me see how this bad boy goes. Like a full size one. It's pretty tiny. Yeah. You know? That's probably like, you know GoPro. Probably like $30 they're charging me for this. Because the tall one, the full size one is like $69 if I remember correctly. But that thing's a trooper, man. It has fallen from bridges. It has fallen out of my car, and it's doing good. So yeah, so pretty much that's all. It came with a bundle kit with 2 batteries, 3 memory card, SD card, whatever you want to call it. This, I already showed that. This 1 mount, which normally comes with 3 or 4, and your head whatever strap. Now I was gonna use this right away. I was gonna go up the mountain and try to shoot something, but I feel like I've been going to the same mountain over and over again. So I was planning to go to Canada today, but the weather did not permit. It was raining, so I was like, yeah, whatever. So I just stayed home and I just bought the cameras because I wanted to take them to Canada. Oh, another cool thing about this one, if you guys remember, if you guys know about GoPro, you used to have to put the camera itself in a case so you can mount it onto this thing. But with the Hero 8, it already comes in built in, which is kind of cool. I like that. So you don't have to like get the case out, put the case on, stuff like that. And that looks just like that. So see that? Super easy. And then that way you can slide it in like that. That's dope. Yeah, so I normally don't show the stuff that I buy on this channel, but I have nothing else to record, so why not? I also did buy a Canon SX740HS. I mean, I don't know much. I pretty much don't know nothing about that camera, so I don't know if I'm gonna do an unboxing video. But this thing right here feels a little tight. Let me see if I can get it. I guess tight is good. All right, so yeah, dude, this thing is sick. Yeah, if your Best Buy still has that bundle deal, get the bundle. I mean, why not? The guy was like, which one do you want? I'm like, well, the one with the free stuff, of course. I was like, was that even a question? Oh, I see, you gotta tilt it a little bit. And then he goes like this. This camera, the new designs of these cameras, I know it looks like the Hero 5 or whatever, but it's way better than the other ones that they came up with. It's just like a sexier looking camera. And apparently they're gonna have like cool mounts that you can attach like a little screen that go up, like if you want to like use this only as vlogging. But GoPro is just still talking about that, so you never know if it's gonna go on or whatnot. All right. And there is that. Still trying to screw it in there. And then oh, this is my favorite part right here. If I can get it in one piece. Oh, they also made the lens like 100% more tough or whatever. I don't know what they mean by that. I'm guessing if it drops, it wouldn't. That's a little picture. But yeah. Anyway, sorry this video wasn't about hiking or exploring an abandoned house, but I mean, I hope you guys liked it. Appreciate a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm glad that I got the GoPro back. I am not gonna get the same drone back. I think I'm gonna get something better than this, because I had a DJI Spark. But other than that, yeah, I mean, I would have been in Canada today, but the Northwest, man, is always raining here near Seattle, Washington. But it is what it is. Maybe next time. At least I got you guys. At least I got a video for you guys this week. All right, well, catch you guys later, and thanks for watching.